By the end of this video, you will know how to add a cover letter to a bill in Clio Manage. Start from your Clio Manage account while you are already logged in. On the left side of the screen, look for the navigation menu and click Settings. This opens the area where account-wide preferences are managed, including the billing options used when bills are created. Once you are in Settings, move to the Clio Settings section and select Billing. This takes you to the Billing Settings page, where the default behavior for invoices and related documents can be adjusted. If your billing settings open on a different tab, switch to the General tab before continuing. The cover page setting is located there, so it is worth confirming this before you scroll. With the General tab open, scroll down through the page until you reach the Creating Bills section. This area controls what is included when bills are generated. Continue looking within that section for default billing templates. Under that heading, find the option labeled Apply Cover Page to Bills. When you locate that option, check the box beside Apply Cover Page to Bills. Selecting this box adds a cover page in front of the rest of the bill details whenever a bill is generated using these settings. The cover page displays the invoice number and the total amount due, which places those key details at the front of the document. After the box is checked, scroll to the bottom of the billing settings page. Click Save Changes to apply the update. If you leave the page without saving, the cover page setting will not be kept, so make sure this final click is completed before moving away from the settings screen. Once the change has been saved, the setting is in place for future bills generated with these billing defaults. That means the next time a bill is created using these settings, the cover page will be included automatically with the bill. You do not need to add it separately each time, because the billing template setting now handles that as part of the bill generation process. If you are reviewing the setting after saving, you can return to the same billing area and confirm that the checkbox next to Apply Cover Page to Bills remains selected. As long as that box stays checked, the cover page will continue to appear on bills created with these default billing templates. Thanks for watching. The cover page setting is now enabled, and future bills generated in Clio Manage will include the cover page.